All right, our review. So the cost of Phillips school supplies can be found by using this expression, 4 times the quantity of 3n plus 2p, n's quantity. We're going to use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression for the overall cost of his school supplies. So let's do that first. So we're going to look and we're going to write an equivalent expression. First of all, do you remember we always would circle the number in front of those parentheses and then we distribute it. So what is 4 times 3n? Well, 4 times 3 is 12, and then we're going to keep that n there. We're going to keep this addition, we're going to keep that plus, and then we're going to do the next one, 4 times 2p. Well, what's 4 times 2? You get 8, and we're going to keep that p there. Now, we have that one done. All right, now that we have that one done, we're going to take a look at the next part. So now we're going to use this expression that we made, and we're going to find the total cost of his school supplies if he buys 4 notebooks, n is the notebooks, so 4 notebooks and 6 pencils, p is pencils. So if we have 12 times, let's do this one. If we have 12 times the notebooks, so 12 times that 4, 12 times 4 notebooks, then we're going to add that to 8 times the 6 pencils that he buys. So, what we're going to do is now we have to, before we add, we have to multiply. 12 times 4 is going to be 48. Plus 8 times 6, we're going to have that 42. I'm sorry, 8 times 6 is 48. My bad. So 48 again. Woo, my bad. All right, so now we have 48 plus that 48. So let's do that. 48 plus 48. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So it's going to be 96. And I believe that's in dollars, but because it's talking about the cost, so we can put dollars if you want to, but it'll be $96. All right, let's take a look at that next side. So Rachel babysat for 13 hours this week. Her neighbor asked her to babysit again tonight. If she babysits for 8 hours tonight, then she would have worked T total of hours this week. So we're going to use this expression below to complete the table, and then we're going to describe that relationship. So we're going to use the 13 that she already worked plus the 8 hours more that she works. So T would be the total number of hours. So for the first one, if H equals 3, it would be 13 plus H, 13 plus 3. So we'll write 13 plus 3. Well, 13 plus 3, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if she worked 3 more hours, she would work 16 hours total. If she worked 5 more hours, it'd be that 13 hours to start plus the 5 more hours. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18. What if she worked 8 more hours? She started with that 13, and she worked 8 more hours. If we have 13 plus 8, we'll get 21. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And that's going to be it for our review. Great job.